Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to crochet this fancy edging. So let's get started. To make this easy trim, I'm going to work on a foundation row of double crochet stitches. You can work on any kind of foundation chain or along the edge of a blanket or scarf. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch and in the second stitch. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 10. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 single crochet. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 4 single crochet and a chain 10 loop with 2 single crochet skipped inside. And you're going to repeat that. Repeat across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. There's my last chain 10. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Okay, so that's how you do that first row. So now I'm going to turn my work, chain 10 loop. I'm going to start making double crochet. So I'm going to double crochet 7, and then I'm going to make a peak and double crochet 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you can just move those down a little bit. So that's this one side. So I have 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the top of that double crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in that same stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in that same stitch. And there we've made that little picot at the end. There's a little picot, so 7 double crochet and then my picot, and I'm going to make 7 more double crochet in this side of the loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now you're going to slip stitch in this single crochet right here. Will form your first loop. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And you'll just repeat that across the row.